back again with your attempt of a craft beer review. One I've got to review just now is another one from Glasgow, and it's the Drygate's Disco Forklift Truck IPA. What's that IPA? Mango IPA. 5.1 on Richter scale for this bad boy. One of the canned beers. I don't know what the classing these as, but came out a little while ago. Get the old Drygate glass on the go. So it comes out. Actually, the couple of beers, it's Chimera and crossing the Rubicon India Pale Ale. Chimera was what? India Pale Lager, and I can see it just now because I've just reviewed it. Crossing the Rubicon India Pale Ale. They were nice beers. So here we have the beer in the glass, and it's very hazy. Can't see through that. At 2 o'clock in the morning when the clocks change. So anyway, normally you get beers like that. Being a beer reviewer, you can normally tell before you actually get a chance to try the beers that what kind of herbs, it's not herbs, hops, what kind of aromas you're going to get from hops. And as soon as I poured that, I was thinking mango, pineapple, all that kind of stuff, and that's what I'm picking up. Lots of mango. Now, mango is a fruit I would never eat in my life. My son eats mango. I can't. I do not like it, full stop. But I don't mind it in beers. Maybe when it's yeast added, I suppose it's more pleasant. I don't like the taste of a fresh mango. It's weird. But like my wife, she doesn't like tomatoes, but she loves tomato sauce and bolognese sauce. Answers on the postcard for that one. So anyway, let's go in and see what it's all about. It's 5.1 on the Richter scale. A lot of mango in that. Yeah, it's mango. Quite bready as well, actually. Bready mango. Something different. All of the cans I've bought recently, the Disco Forklift Truck, as it's calling itself. Lovely artwork in the can. It's pretty carbonated. For me, it could be doing a wee bit of pineapple push in there. I don't know if there is any pineapple in there, but it's mostly danked with heavy mango. It's okay. Is it one hour revisit? No, I won't. It was the name that really intrigued me. The Disco Fork Truck. To be honest, like that, the mango was very heavy presence in here. That's what's needing. I think it's me personally. Anyone for Drygate's watching this, which is probably no, but maybe a little bit of pineapple in there just to sweeten the mood. That'd be a cracking beer. Uh, it's it's going to suit a lot of people. This probably my son who loves mangoes. He would love this. It's okay. I'm not going to get a bad score on the wee series of the pale ales and the juicy fruits and from the Drygate Brewery. I'm going to give it the mango holds over the top. If you love mangoes, you're going to love this beer. Unfortunately for me, I like a wee bit of sweetness to it because mango's not my favourite fruit. If a wee bit more, even a little bit more of a charge of grapefruit and pineapple, this would be an outstanding beer. So anyway, what I'm going to give a disco forklift truck 5.1 on the Richter scale from the Drygate Brewery, Ouija City of Glasgow. I'm going to give that I'm not going to be really harsh to this because 6 and up is drinkable. I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. It's not, that's only personal because I really don't like the use of the mango. The mango is too strong for me. So anyway, if you have the forklift truck, you liked it, you didn't like it, drop a line below. You know the script. If you've subscribed. If not, I'll hopefully catch you in another beer review. Craft beer review. Ciao for now. Keep drinking the good craft beer. If not, Slangy fella. Try your white ciders. They're good as well.